Hey, this is just a quick walkthrough so you can see what we've got so far. When you come through, these pictures and all need to change. All this text has got to be changed in here. This is just it's talking about development and stuff on the Django stuff. But the links don't go anywhere right now. I mean, it's just, all this has got to be done still. If you click on how it works, these images need to change. I was thinking about doing something with this guru guy here, but this information says, submit your request, review and revise. We start building, developing location. You got the FAQ. I mean, why use Django? Why? I mean, but it comes all the way through here. You know, it's got which Guru's Gone Wild subscription is right for my business? Why work? What are Guru's Gone Wild business hours? We've got design examples. You can come in here, and this has still got to be set up, but these are the types of designs. So like if you click on animals, you get animal designs and stuff through here. If you click on the blueprints, then you get blueprints. But those are the only two that are set up right now. You've got the pricing. If you come in here on the pricing stuff, if you click on get information, this will go to the payment thing where you would make a payment. But for right now, I'm trying to set up this back end. So what you've got in here is, if you want to add something, all this has got to be redone and set up and everything. But this is just kind of playing with the look and feel of it, trying to figure out exactly, like if you want to add a brand, you say create a brand. And then you put the fonts, the fonts, the color codes, the web address. But none of this is hooked to a database. All I'm trying to do right now is figure out what we're going to put and how we're going to lay it out and everything, so that when the customer comes in here, like if you want to add a new user here, you can add a user, but you can't add a user yet because it's not hooked to anything. But you've got your library, you want to view examples. So, and this fonts have got to change, the images have to change. There's a lot to do. You've got your support stuff. You want to submit a support ticket, apples and oranges. But, you get the basic idea. I'm going to set this up with the database. Once I set up to the database, like this right here, show you the open stuff, if it's a normal, if it's a priority. And then if you click here, this is going to have a chat over here. I've got to hook up the chat. I've got to hook up, all this has to be hooked up into the database. But I've got it set up now so you can kind of look at it to see what's going on. You've got the privacy policy. This stuff is, once it's set up, it looks like there's nothing to it, but some of this stuff is a pain to get set up in here and everything. But you got your terms of service, and you've got, and that page needs to be designed a little better. I think this needs to slide to the left. I mean, the design on that stuff's not very good. And then you've got your About Us. We got to work on the About Us and the design examples. All this stuff is still being put together right here. But this is the client area here, and this is where the client will be working with the site, and they'll be able to see if they have any open reviews. And all these have got to be linked. I've got to create some more pages in here. And then you can see if they're completed or whatever, and then every one of these will be a link also. But once it's set up in the database, then I can put all that stuff in there. But that's basically what I've got so far. And I'm going through it as fast as I can right here. But you got the contact us, and that needs to be changed to white or something there. But just trying to get it all put together right here and trying to get the basic layout, and then I'll go through and try and clean it up. If using this picture clashes with these pictures down here, so we need to use the same type of pictures in here, which is going to require a lot of pictures, because we've also got a blog on here, and my intentions are to add maybe about 10,000, 20,000 posts to the blog, so that we've got a whole bunch of articles and all in here. And those articles should rank, because this website loads in like 0.9 milliseconds, so it should outrank any website around. Because of the load times, there's 0 errors in it. Everything is exactly like it's supposed to be. You can check it in W3C code and Google Lighthouse and all that stuff. It should get 100% on anything you check it on. But right now, I cannot add it into the account because it's saying that the domain name already exists. But if DigitalOcean figures that out, I'll upload what I've got so far so you can start looking at it.